2025 smart, sleek and stylish bathroom design ideas for a contemporary home. Welcome to a new era of bathroom design. In this video, explore modern bathroom interior ideas for 2025, where cutting-edge innovation meets timeless elegance. Discover how you can transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with clean lines, luxurious materials, and smart features that redefine convenience and comfort. Whether you're remodeling your home, building a new one, or simply gathering inspiration, this video showcases 2025's most stylish bathroom interiors designed for modern living. What you'll see in this video: the latest modern bathroom trends for 2025. Smart toilets, LED mirrors, and touchless faucets. Minimalist vanities with floating cabinets. Seamless glass showers and freestanding tubs. Ambient lighting and under-cabinet illumination. Natural textures like stone, marble, and wood. Matte black, gold, and brushed nickel fixtures. Earth-toned palettes with high-contrast finishes. Brain-smart and functional bathroom features. Voice-activated lighting and temperature control. Integrated Bluetooth speakers and media mirrors. Smart showers with programmable settings. Water-saving technology and eco-friendly systems. Digital display faucets with temperature indicators. Perfect for homeowners planning a bathroom renovation in 2025. Interior designers and architects looking for inspiration. Smart home enthusiasts who value style and tech. Anyone who loves modern, minimalist interiors. Why modern bathroom design in 2025? Enhances your daily routine with efficiency and elegance. Brings a spa-like atmosphere into your home. Supports eco-conscious living with sustainable solutions. Increases property value through modern upgrades. Reflects your personal style with functional design. Design themes featured: contemporary minimalist bathrooms. Luxury spa-style interiors. Scandinavian and Japandi-inspired aesthetics. Industrial modern with raw textures. High-contrast black and white bathrooms. Nature-inspired designs with organic materials. Tell us in the comments, which bathroom design element would you love to have in your home? A smart mirror, freestanding tub, or heated flooring? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more modern home interior inspiration. Stay tuned for the next episode in our 2025 design series.